So if you look at your U.S. federal government worksheet, the first one says that Governor Tom Wolf ordered that as of March 19, 2020, all non-life sustaining businesses in Pennsylvania are shut down. He also ordered that restaurants and bars stop all dine-in services. So for Part A, this is a state action. Governor Wolf is the governor here in the state of Pennsylvania. For Part B, Governor Wolf is part of the executive branch. He is the head of the executive branch in Pennsylvania. So that is a directive or an executive order coming out of the executive branch. For question number 2, it says President Trump announced a 30-day ban on travel from Europe to the United States as of March 13, 2020, in an attempt to slow the spread of the coronavirus. That is a federal action. We know that President Trump is the leader of the United States executive branch. So for Part B and number 2, you should have executive branch. Number 3, the CARES Act, which the Coronavirus Recovery and Economic Security Act is named, signed into effect by President Trump on March 27th of 2020 in an attempt to prevent a serious economic downturn due to the spread of COVID-19. That is a federal action, and it was a law, a piece of legislation passed by the legislative branch. So that had to go through both houses of Congress, and then the president signed it. And finally, number 4, it says on March 23rd, 2020, PDE extended all school closures until April 6th, 2020. So PDE stands for the Pennsylvania Department of Education, so that is a state action, and PDE is part of the executive branch. It's one of the executive agencies here in Pennsylvania. So the school closures are being done on a state-by-state basis.